Here in the machine shed, got a load of logs on the Kodiak here. Can't seem to get it fired up today. Sits there clicking. I think it got a bad solenoid on the starter, so gonna get this off. You hear it click. Going to disconnect the battery first before I crawl under the truck. Got the starter out. That was a bear. I got one wire I got to unhook yet, and then I can get it out from under here. But yeah, that was a fight trying to get the bolts to break loose. That was holding the starter on. Got it back up in here now. I'm just hooking up the wires and give it a try.